Okay, I'm back. And the reason I left was because I needed to make a hole in my gingerbread man so I could put my string through. So let's go ahead and finish with this art project. So in your little bag, you will have these other parts besides the gingerbread man or girl or boy, whatever you want to call it. So for the buttons, we have actual buttons, and here I have 3 different colors of buttons. Everyone should have 3 different buttons. So those are going to go in the center of the gingerbread. Then you're going to have these little black zigzags, and these are called bric-a-brac, and those are going to go on the legs and then on the arms. You're also going to have a bow if it's a girl, or a bow tie, which goes on the neck if it's a boy. And so here's the bow tie. So I'm going to make a gingerbread boy, not a man. Mine's going to be a boy. And then I'm going to have 2 googly eyes. And then I have these little tiny red sequins, which I'm going to put on the face for the mouth. What you'll need is glue. Do not use glue stick because glue stick isn't strong enough and it won't stick. So this is a very simple project. And when you are finished, you can have your an adult or someone help you tie the top of your yarn here so that you can hang this anywhere you want, or you could hang it on your Christmas tree. And I have a Christmas tree back there, and I'm going to hang my gingerbread boy on my Christmas tree when I'm finished. Okay, so get your glue, and the first thing I'm going to glue on are the buttons. And I'm going to make 3 dots right in the middle, and I'm going to put a button on each one of those dots. Very simple. Then I'm going to take the black zigzag, and you might have a different color, but that's okay. And I'm going to place one on one leg, put a little glue on the other one. I can put it on the other leg, just like this. And remember, you're going to need to let this dry before you can hang it up. So I'm just going to show you real quick. There's my buttons and my 2 zigzags for the legs. Then I'm going to put a little more glue on and get the ones on the arms. Oops, a little crooked. A little more on. I'm going to hold it down just for a few seconds. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 dots on the face for the eyes. Remember, you don't need a lot of glue because if you get too much glue, it takes too long to dry. And then it gets kind of messy. Okay, so far, I have the eyes, the buttons, and the decoration for the legs and the arms. Kind of makes it look like he's wearing clothes. And then I'm going to put the bow tie right on his neck, just like that. I'm going to press it down. Okay, there's his bow tie. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the mouth, and I'm going to turn it around so I can draw a smiley face. And the reason why I want you to do a smiley face is because the gingerbread man was always laughing at everybody. He was happy until the very end. So you're just going to pick up or have someone help you pick them up, the little sequins, and you're going to make the smiley face and then with the glue, and then you're going to put, excuse me, then you're going to put your sequins right on top of that glue. And I'll show you here in just a minute. Let me get this all on there. Okay, and don't forget to ask somebody in your family or in your house for help if you need help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There you go. And there's my happy gingerbread boy. Okay, so when you are finished, you're going to let this dry. And then, like I said, if you want to hang it on your tree, it'll make a great ornament. And that's the last thing we're going to do for that. And we're going to miss you all, and we can't wait to see you after vacation, but we hope you have a Merry Christmas and a great holiday. And we'll see you in about 2.5 weeks. Bye, everyone.